Hi, welcome. We have to get all these icons set up before the course, so in this video, I will show you how to do that. Before we proceed, please check a COP to find out which broker we are going with. Otherwise, let's get started. First, we need to download the installer. Start by clicking on your browser and typing in this address, vxcharts.com/download/COP1. This will download the installer, which is about 100 megabytes. It should complete in less than 1 minute. Once the download is complete, click on it to run it. Windows will ask if you want to run it. Click on More Info and Run Anyway. After that, click on Yes. Once the installer appears, click on Next until you reach the Components page. This is the part where we have to select the broker we are signing up with. It could be Infinity Futures, Canon Trading, or Zena Group. We're going to go with Infinity Futures in this video. Click on Next until the installation starts. Halfway through, you should see some icons start to appear on your desktop. When you reach the Infinity AT screen, click on Yes to continue, followed by Next until the installation begins again. When it is done, uncheck this box so that the application doesn't start. Click on Finish, followed by Finish again. There will be a number of icons on your screen. These two are from the broker Infinity. These three are from VXCharts. This is from TeamViewer. And the three folders are from COP, with the ebooks and the videos that you have to go through before the course. And we are all done. Thank you for watching.